I graduated from Cardiff University in 2001. I was taught by two people who were very influential in my ceramics. One was a guy called Jeffrey Swindell, and the other was a guy called Peter Starkey. So my work is not really traditional, it's more sculptural, it's quite conceptualized, and yeah, I stay very true to the British studio pottery philosophy through using the potter's wheel. I use the potter's wheel in all my work. So I make form and then I deconstruct, reconstruct. And yeah, I build pots really. I don't really make pots on the wheel. I use the wheel as a tool. When I was living in England, I was heavily involved with an anagama project, which is an old Japanese medieval style. To leave England behind and come here has really helped my work. I feel like I can connect with the material in a way that I couldn't connect with in England.
Vaig tenir la sort de que quan era petita hi havia un taller a Sant Celoni, el taller Jorca, i vaig estar allà molts anys. No va ser fins al 2005 plegar la feina que estava i dedicar-me professionalment a la ceràmica. Aleshores me'n vaig anar a l'Escola de Ceràmica de la Bisbal, que hi havia el curs de terrisser professional, i em va canviar completament la percepció de la ceràmica a través del torn. El 2006 vaig obrir el meu taller, va ser llavors quan em vaig plantejar començar a fer cursos més específics de cap de setmana, el de torn, esmalts, porcellana, i després ampliar els cursos internacionals.